How to find Clipboard on iPhone. Find the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. It's already there by default. Tap to open it up. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, look for a button in the bottom right corner that says Gallery. Tap on it. In the search bar at the top of the Gallery page, type in Clipboard and hit Enter. This will help you find the feature we're looking for. Scroll down the list of results until you find something that says Adjust Clipboard. It might be towards the bottom of the list. When you see Adjust Clipboard, there should be a little plus sign next to it. Tap on that plus sign to add it to your shortcuts. Now, go back to the main shortcuts screen. You should see Adjust Clipboard among your shortcuts. Tap on the Adjust Clipboard shortcut. This will bring up a screen where you can add text to your clipboard. Type or paste the text you want to save to your clipboard into the provided space. Open any app where you can input text, like notes or messages. Tap where you want to paste the text, then tap the Paste button. Your text should appear, meaning you've successfully found and used the clipboard on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.